Hey everybody, good morning. Welcome to another episode of Totally Primal. I'm David, and today we are picking sweet corn. We're at Blazers, and it's gonna be farm to market, coming right to Primal Eats and to farm stands near you. Let's check it out and get to work. Well, it's 5 o'clock in the morning, we're at Blazers, and we're about to pick some fresh sweet corn. So nothing better than from the farm right to the restaurant. Beautiful sweet corn, Wisconsin sweet corn for you guys to eat. Let's check this out, let's get on the action, and let's start picking some corn. We can't waste the day away, let's get at it. So it seems we're on the backside here, little cleanup duty. This thing is moving so fast, so efficient. Fresh sweet corn, right from the farm, directly to the restaurant. Sometimes you end up getting the whole thing. Hey everybody, I'm here with Chris from Blazers Acres, and we just got done picking some sweet corn this morning, and that's going to be going to stands all across northeast Wisconsin, aren't they?
Stands, we do grocery stores and stuff like that. Picking slow right now on the start. We don't have a whole bunch because we planted early under plastic. We wait till our bare ground is ready to really start mass producing and shipping to warehouses and grocery stores and everything like that.
I mean, what really works out with what we're doing here, you know, we're Primal Eats, the show is called Totally Primal, and that's really, our whole philosophy is going back to that hunter-gatherer instinct. So being in the field, 5 o'clock this morning picking corn is one of those things. I mean, fresh corn coming to you guys from Schwamico, from here at Blazers Acres, and I mean, you pick early in the morning for a reason. We have to be out there at 5. Is it just to get it to the customers, or is there some sort of science behind, like you wouldn't go pick corn at 3 in the afternoon in the sun, would you?
No, we have to pick early in the morning. It starts building heat and fermenting as it gets warmer in the day.
Of course.
So we pick now, get it out to where it's going, and then the remainder goes into the cooler for any afternoon sales.
So how old is this corn? When was this planted?
This corn was planted around the last days of March, first day of April.
Okay, so that goes pretty quick.
It was late this year because we had a real cold spring, but normally we're in the field in early to mid-March.
And how many times can you hit that field that we were just in?
We went in there early just to pick off the king cobs. We'll go back quite a few more times. 3 to 4 times we'll pick it till it's cleaned up, till it's all ripe. Then when we get into our next field, the whole field will be ripe. We'll only pick it once. Every cob will be ready to go.
So how many acres do you have here, Chris?
We farm about 300 acres.
Fresh from the farm. So Chris, you're the owner of the farm.
Yes, yeah.
All right, now did you start this, or is this something that's been going on for a little while?
I started gardening with my grandpa when I was younger, and then I started working on a truck farm when I was like 14. And I said, you know, I can do this, and I rented an acre of land and got a rototiller, and my mom got me into the first Green Bay farm market when I was 16, and here we are 24 years later with 300 acres and more produce and good stuff than we know what to do with.
I know you guys got a stand right in Cecil close to Primal Eats, and we stop by there often to get some produce for the restaurant, and just the history that comes into this is amazing, and being able to, again, we can say it over and over again, that farm to market, farm to table, F2T, whatever you want to say, I think we're in it. That's what Primal Eats is looking to find local farmers to get that product onto the table, because why not support your local businesses anywhere? I mean, I don't even know how else to put it.
We do the best job we can to provide fresh local produce, and we're excited to partner up.
That fits right in with Primal Eats, what we're doing, fresh sweet corn, right from the farm, directly to the restaurant, or a farm stand near you. Well, it's been a great day out here. Chris, I want to thank you again for bringing us out here and getting into the field, Primal Eats, getting their hands dirty, getting that corn, bring it to the restaurant. Thanks for joining us this week on this episode of Totally Primal, and we'll see you next time.